Hello everyone, my name is Mohammad Masuduzzaman. I'm going to present my capstone project report about emerging technology, and my report title is Security Threats and Issues in Cloud Computing. This slide is showing the title of this report and the outlines of this report. The title is Security Threats and Issues in Cloud Computing, and the outlines are general overview of cloud, general overview of organization, security threats and issues, reason and benefit of the technology, barriers to the emerging technology. Introduction. In introduction, I would like to say that the main focus of this report is to investigate the threats and issues related to the implementation of cloud computing in medium-sized business organizations. General overview of cloud computing. Definition. Cloud computing is a model for enabling convenient on-demand network access to a shared pool of configurable computing resources such as networks, servers, storage, application and services that can be rapidly provisioned and released with the minimal management effort or service provider interactions. This picture is showing the devices we are using in cloud computing and the things we are doing in cloud computing such as documentation, emails, chat, blogs, presentation, etc. Types of cloud computing. Roughly, cloud computing can be categorized into two, private and public. Private cloud infrastructure is totally owned and managed by the customers, and public cloud is managed and owned by the service providers and located on premises. There are also some other kind of cloud computing such as hybrid cloud and community cloud. This picture is showing the types of cloud computings. What are the stacks? Cloud service can be divided into three stacks: infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service. This picture is showing the IT services those stacks are providing to us and the real-time examples of those stacks. Infrastructure as a service. The IT services these stacks are providing to us are servers, networks, storage, management and reporting. And the example of these stacks: BT, Telstra and T-Systems. Platform as a service. The IT services are application building blocks and standards, and the examples are Amazon, EC2, Force.com, Navitar. Software as a service. The services are applications, and the examples are Yahoo Email, Salesforce.com, Google Apps. Storage as a service. The services are storage services, primary, backup, archive and tier. The examples are Amazon S3, Navitar. Understanding of cloud security and storage. What is cloud security? Cloud computing security is the set of control-based technology and policies designed to adhere to regulatory compliance rules and protect information, data, application and infrastructure associated with the cloud computing use. What is cloud storage? Tanjaya Group defines cloud storage as a specific category within the larger field of storage in cloud solutions. Storage in cloud encompasses traditional hosted storage, including offering access by FTP, WebDAV, NFS, CIFS, or blocks protocols, either remotely from within the hosted environment. Cloud storage is an evaluation of this hosted storage technology that wraps more sophisticated APIs, namespace files or data location virtualization and management tools around the storage. Evaluation of cloud storage. There are several types of cloud storage. Figure showing the evaluation of cloud storage based on traditional and hosted cloud storage. In this picture, you can see the network storage, hosted storage, and cloud-based storage. And we can also see the difference between those storage. General overview of the organization. For the purpose of this report, I have chosen Hiron Harvey, a nationwide handyman franchise business organization which had started its business since 1996. Brendan Graham is Chief Executive Officer of this organization, and this organization operating its business with two support offices in Sydney, one in Brisbane and one in Melbourne. The majority of workers of this organization are mobile franchises, but they have got 32 staff working across 4 offices on the eastern seaboard. The services this franchise organization is providing now are interior and exterior design of house, carpeting, fencing, tiling, repairs and maintenance, door and windows, roofing, painting and plastering, outdoor maintenance, etc. With all of these services, it also providing many commercial services such as refurbishment, reconfiguration of offices, painting, hanging up, handover, and in point of sale. It also provides assembly, installation, retrofit, removal of disposal, all types of displays, simultaneous multi-location, and project management. The general overview of the organization. In this slide, I try to show the general overview of organization in short term. Security threats and issues of cloud computing facing this organization. In this section, I will discuss about what type of security threats and issues in secure data storage are facing this organization in issues of cloud computing. Security threats are almost same everywhere in cloud computing, but the security issues in data storage vary slightly with the type of cloud service uses. I have been using Salesforce One platform, which is PaaS, platform as a service. In the following section, I will discuss about the major security threats facing this organization by using Salesforce One platform. The main security threats of this organization are data breaches, data loss, phishing, insecure API, denial of service attack, malicious insider, abuse of cloud services, insufficient due diligence, shared technology. In this slide, I try to show some solution of those threats, and this table is showing the solutions. The left side of this table is showing the solution of this of those threats, and the right side is showing the description of those solutions. The solutions are data handling mechanisms, data security mitigation, design for policies, standardization, accountability, mechanism for using trust. This solution provides guidance to the companies that offer cloud services. It will help to them to make support strategy before implementation of cloud services. The reason and benefit for using technology. Main business drivers to adopt this technology. The main business drivers are pursuing new business opportunities, reducing upfront costs, potentially reducing ongoing costs, potentially improving business continuity, and potentially reducing carbon footprint. Reasons for using the technology in this organization. HireHub was facing many problems before adopting those technology. They got franchise as far north Cairns, as far south as Hobart, in all major centers and scattered everywhere in between, so it was very difficult for them to manage such a decentralized network, so they needed a time-effective system to allocate work. They also struggled with maintaining staff morals, as their employees used to work with weak internet connection and slow system. For the weak internet connection and slow system, it was also difficult for employees to share their problem or asking for help instantly if they are facing any problem when working in remote corner of the country. Such a decentralized management system was really a problem for them to expand their business. Moreover, there wasn't any way to collect the customers' feedback from all over the Australia. So these are the main reasons for adopting such technology in these organizations. What drove the organization to adopt the technology? HireHub CEO Brendan Green always wanted to provide the finest service to the customers and also wanted to keep the growth rate of business in satisfactory levels. He says being in the right place in the right time is the main business drivers of their business. To do this, they need a centralized management system, what Salesforce Cloud Service is providing them. HireHub provide mobile device installed with Salesforce Service Cloud. HireHub using Salesforce One platform where you can make and customize apps according to your business needs. HireHub also using Salesforce Chatter, which is social apps connecting employees, and that apps also helping to collect the customers' feedback. So it can be said that that for maintaining their services quality and expand their business with a satisfactory yearly growth rate, they really needed the Salesforce Service Cloud helps. What does the technology do? Makes new recruitment process easy, track down contracts very fast for a specific area, collect customers' feedbacks, advanced job management facilities, connects the employees to work efficiently across minimal original boundaries, collaboration on sales opportunities, service cases, campaigns, and projects, recommendation relevant people, files, and information for every deal, service case, and more. Monitors the latest development at the office, close cases, update opportunities, and act on critical account updates wherever you are. Capture organizational knowledge in single location and drive progress from anywhere. Impact of cloud computing on this organization. With the help of cloud computing, all the franchises are working in community, which was impossible without the help of computing. On the last prospectus, they mentioned that 33% of cost efficiency, over 37% of profitability, 50% of management and recruitment process is based on this technology. Cloud computing makes hire heavy reliable to the customer, makes community based service within the franchise, and also 30% of the yearly targeted growth has been achieved by the help of this technology. Barriers to the emerging technology. The main barriers are the compliance, interoperability, culture, awareness, return on investment, and integration. The business challenges to introduce the cloud computing. Like every new technology, implementation of cloud computing is not free from the issues. Some important challenges in deployment of cloud computing are as following: security and privacy, service delivery and billing, inappropriability and probability, liability and availability, performance and bandwidth cost. Conclusion: the success story of Hierarchy is a great example of successful issues of cloud computing. It's become possible to manage and maintain efficiently a nationwide franchise business with the help of Salesforce Cloud Services. After all, it can be said that without the help of cloud computing and centralized management system, it was impossible for a Hierarchy to become one of the Australia-based maintenance business organization. These are the reference of these presentations, and that's the end of my presentations. Thank you all for the patience.